Hi, welcome back guys. Today we're talking about how to freeze row and column in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to freeze row and column in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to freeze row and column in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, here's my row and column. Okay, let's scroll down. It's freezed. Let's right click on it, view more, row action, unfreeze row. Okay, now let's choose it and hold control. Now right click, view more action, freeze up to rows. Now scroll down, you see it's freezed. Now let's unfreeze. Okay, easy way, drag from here like this. It will be automatically freezed. And for column the same. Now hold press control and let's select this column and rows, click view more action, unfreeze rows. Now we unfreeze them. That easy guys. There you go. If you want to know how to freeze row and column in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.